create a new project. Click the Create Sketch tool, select the XZ plane, and create a sketch. Draw a horizontal line segment using the Line Drawing tool. Next, click on the right endpoint of the horizontal line, and start drawing a diagonal line from that endpoint. The other endpoint of the diagonal line should fall on the vertical reference line of the coordinate axis. Starting from this endpoint, draw a third line segment and connect it to the endpoint of the first line segment. Press the Escape key on the keyboard to close the Line Drawing tool and click on the vertical and horizontal line segments. Use the Constrain Equal tool to constrain their lengths to be equal. Select the horizontal line segment and set its length to 40 mm using the Dimension tool. With the Dimension tool enabled, click on the endpoint on the right and set its vertical distance from the origin to 20 mm. Click the Pad tool, check the Symmetric to Plane option in the parameter panel, and set the thickness to 14 mm. Select the Just Created Pad operation step in the Model Structure Options menu, then click the Mirrored tool to enable the mirroring operation. View the effect and click the OK button to confirm. Select one surface of the triangular prism and create a sketch for it. To draw a circle using the Circle Drawing tool with its center on the vertical reference line and intersecting the coordinate center point, we simply need to click the mouse on the vertical reference line and the coordinate center point, respectively. Select the circle and click the Dimension tool to set its diameter to 55 mm. Using the Pocket tool, set the Type option in the parameter panel to Through All. Following the video, select a plane on the model and use the Fillet tool to create a fillet with a radius of 2 mm. Then, click the Select button and select the faces and edges of the model as shown in the video. Finally, click the OK button to confirm the operation. Click the Create Sketch tool and select the YZ plane to draw a sketch. Enable the View Section tool. Use the Create External Geometry tool to convert the lines in the model to reference lines. Click twice on the vertical reference line at different positions using the Capsule Drawing tool, then type 3 mm on the keyboard as the radius of the arc. Click on the arc center and a reference line of the model to make them intersect. Select the vertical line of the capsule shape and set its height to 15 mm. Click the Pocket tool, set the parameter type to Through All, check the Symmetric to Plane option, and then click the OK button to confirm. Following the video, select the target surface, click the Fillet tool to round the edges, click the Select tool on the parameter panel and then add another surface. Finally, click the OK button to confirm.